Hey, third grade, this school year is almost over. Can you guys believe it? Today and tomorrow, you guys are just going to be creating a end of year memory book. So this is your memory book for this school year. You can decorate it any way you want to. Text boxes have already been added. You can use the font that I have chose, or you can choose your own. You can even change the color of the font if you want. Enjoy and have fun, okay? There are some pictures that you can add if you want to. You do not have to add pictures, but you are more than welcome to. And if you don't have a picture of something, you can always try to go find it on Google and find something that's similar to what you're trying to upload. So a picture of yourself, a picture of you and your best friend, a picture of your teacher, a picture of your classroom. So maybe your classroom was your bedroom or your dining room this year. A picture of a field trip. We didn't take any field trips, so you won't need that. A picture of a favorite memory. A picture of your favorite thing to do in the summer. So like if you like to go swimming in the summer, but you don't have a picture of you swimming, you can find one maybe from last year, or you can find a picture of a pool with some kids swimming in it or something, just so I kind of know what you're talking about. Some pictures you will find by inserting an image by searching the web, which is totally okay. This tells you how to upload photos. I think most of you guys are really good at that, and you already know how to do that. So insert image, upload from computer, or search the web. Working with the text boxes, they've already been added for you. If you don't like the font, you can change it. If you don't like the size of the font, you can change it. And if you don't like the color of the font, you can change it. All right. This little button here is your undo button. This if you want to add a new text box. Okay. This digital memory book belongs to, and you're going to type your name. And then here are just some things for you to fill out. A little bit about you, your favorite things. So food, you can insert a picture of your food. Song, maybe a picture of the song, or a picture of the artist who sings the song. Your movie, pastime, TV show. Pastime is something that you've done in the past, something that you like to do. All about your friends. Enter some pictures of your friends. They don't have to be people you go to school with. Maybe you play on a sports team. They can be on that. All about your teacher. Your school day. What did your school day look like this year? For a lot of us, it looks so different than what it typically looks like. So kind of tell me what that looks like for you. So much learning. We did a whole lot of learning this year in third grade. So math, science, social studies, reading. Tell me what you learned. Some of your books that you read. It doesn't have to be a physical book. It can be a digital book that you guys read in HMH, or on Bookflix, or some of those websites that Mrs. Humphreys has you guys use. Moments to remember. Tell me about some of the fun things that you did this year. Maybe they were some of our snow days. I know we had a not so fun snow week. Maybe they were just all the times that we got to spend with our family while we did not really have a typical school year. I'm really going to miss. What are you going to miss about this school year? Being home, working from home. What are you going to miss about third grade? Your summer plans. Do you have anything planned to do this summer? Tell me here. I want to know. Next year. Tell me a little bit about next year. You guys will be fourth graders. A year to remember. This is definitely a year to remember. This is a year that a lot of us will never, ever, ever forget. And then these last couple slides are just if you want to create one by yourself, create a slide by yourself. You don't have to, but you are more than welcome to be creative. Dear future me, type a letter to yourself for next year. What are some goals that you have for next year? What are some things that you learned this year that you want to use next year? And then if you want to view your slideshow, it tells you how to do that. I hope that this is a fun project and just something to help us relax and get ready for summer. All right. I've loved being your teacher. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great summer, guys.